Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I've circled back. I saw something I'm curious about. Right coming up here on the right, these signs right here. Now hiring Triad corrugated metal 208 Luck Road, Asheboro, first and second shift. Oh, I think I know where that is. Hang on. It's behind that there, but to get to it, ooh, those are beautiful. See the yellow flowers? So they got an arrow. Triad corrugated metal. There's their phone number. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. Metal roofing and supplies. Now I'm learning what they do. Metal roofing and supplies, metal buildings, carports. So that would be like the ones we're looking at right there. Okay, so this is a local business. I sorta have had a notion that there is some kind of factory there. Let's do this. And let's go out to Luck Road, right here. Luck is one of those names. It's a early settler family. Okay, so how you get in is not... Alright, there's the buildings on the left. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here we go. Hiring. Yeah, this must be them. I'm just going to go in the parking lot. I don't know if I've ever come up here and seen this. And I've been here for more than 10 years. Triad Corrugated Metal Incorporated. Alright, they've got stock here on the right, along the curbing. There would be the front door. Oh, this is a sizable facility. I think I've only seen it in satellite view. This is interesting. Now, part of the reason why that's probably roofing material, that's a guess. Part of the reason why I'm interested, I live on US 64 on the way to Ramseur from Asheboro. And, you know, supposedly, oh, it looks like they're doing an you didn't see it, but see this entrance here to the left? It looks like they put a cement floor in there. They may be building another building. Oh, and you can get in the back way there. See? You can get in the back way there to the display area on 64. Okay. So, it's evident that they make a number of different architectures of varying sizes and prices. Ooh. Now I'm connecting these that I've seen for years on display with that manufacturing site. Okay. Sometimes you learn things just by being nosy. That's me, Steve AB4L, just being nosy on his way home from shopping, saying see you in 73.